In this video, you'll learn how to change the logo on Webflow in just a few minutes, so you can keep your website perfectly aligned with your brand identity. First, go to webflow.com and sign in to your account. Open the project where you want to update the logo, then head to the designer. This is where you'll make all your visual changes with ease. Next, find the logo on your website. It's usually located in the navigation bar at the top of the page. Click directly on the logo image to select it, and Webflow will open the image settings in the right side panel. Now, in the settings panel, click on the current image to replace it. You can upload a new logo from your computer, choose one from your assets, or drag and drop the file directly into the Webflow Asset Manager for quick access. After that, adjust your logo's size and alignment to fit your design perfectly. Use the width, height, and margin controls to make sure the logo looks great on every screen, from desktop to tablet to mobile. Once everything looks right, make sure to update the logo on all pages if your navigation isn't a symbol. Then click Publish in the top right corner to push your updated logo live across your entire website. And that's it. Your Webflow website now has a fresh new logo that perfectly represents your brand.